If your Plano home was built between the 1980s and the early 2000s, the copper supply line running through your slab is now 25 to 45 years old. Underneath it is Cullen County clay that swells after a hard rain and pulls tight again in a dry spell. And that constant movement is what cracks pipes cast right into the concrete. A warm spot on the tile, a water bill that keeps climbing for no reason, a faint trickle you only notice when the house goes still. In neighborhoods like Los Rios and Hunter's Glen, that is usually a slab leak that already let go under the floor. Our crew runs mounted extraction and submersible pumps to get standing water out of a Plano home before it works deeper into that clay-packed subfloor. Rowlett Creek and Spring Creek can push the same kind of flooding into low-lying yards during a heavy storm, and we handle it the same way, fast and direct. A wall can feel dry on the outside and still be soaked inside it. We set air movers and dehumidifiers on the structure and check the numbers with moisture meters until every reading comes back clean, because Plano runs hot and humid for months, and mold can take hold in a wall cavity within a day or two of a leak. We cover every Plano zip code, from Legacy West to the older streets past Central Expressway, and our Dallas crew is just up Central Expressway, ready any hour. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.